Times when we share precious moments that we realize never always slow. So how are we to know that it's just wasn't so? Now we just had to let each other go.
Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Ang lutong nun na! Gago ka, lutong nun.
Bakit?
Ang lutong nun na.
I'll play some call
Ang lutong na na.
a sample call provided by Fred that demonstrates, satisfied customer, which is our main goal.
Can you turn off the light?
They will dance because they always serve.
So we don't have expose on the video.
No! Open it! Open it!
Dim light first.
No!
Dim light first.
That's production.
Wanna dim light your face? Just silhouette. Yes.
Daming artist.
Alright.
Is this Cuba Red?
Cuba. Come on, guys. Ready? Okay. This is the start.
Bawal corny ah.
Bawal corny ka.
Cornic is not allowed.
Go! From the beginning, start at the beginning, on the top, on the bottom, bottom, the pink and the blue.
Go!
Wait.
Lock it up. Mga ganun.
Okay,
Turn off the light, turn off the light. These guys.
No!
More. That's enough. That's enough.
No!
Okay, that's it.
That's fine.
Game.
Ready?
You won't be able to document.
Alright! Ang wala pa video!
More.
Oh my God, si Steven! How about the girl?
No, dance.
Why are you not dancing?
Go, guys!
Go, man!
Look at Mookie!
Ay!
The camera! The tissue!
Delete the part.
Why? No!
No, the girls were not dancing!
Yeah! No!
You
You're not dancing.
It's good! It's done! Girls, come on! Girls solo! No, the girls solo!
Girls! Boring!
It's boring after.
After what?
What did the girls do?
Nothing! Girls! Nothing.
Go girls itself.
We touch the dark.
No, you didn't.
Female horse, go!
Not yet. Not yet.
Girls, so please! Point it on!
Ako naman, lalaki. Bilis mo.
Where's group 2? I'm waiting.
Go, guys!
Come on guys, it's here. Come on, dance. Come on.
Tagal, oh. Isa.
Secure ka ba?
Oh, isa pa. Panlalaki, ah.
Hindi mo kasi nagagawa ang lahat ng bagay.
Panlalaki, oy.
Mamaya rumaan pa si ate, patay ka.
Natatawa talaga, mayroon.
Ganun lang?
Ay naman ako, lagi lang ako lalaki.
O sige ako lalaki. Go.
Pareho lalaki. Shamsi Sup!
Yung catwalk nyo, pag ganyan.
Shamsi na!
Ulul, mamaya para ano.
Inturuan niyo kung maayos kasi.
Malalaki naman.
Parang
O, lalaki naman, te.
secret, yung ano, yung vlog dragon.
Laki naman.
Si Adam, yung ano sa mga babae.
Eh, gano'n kayo mga bakla. Gano'n na kami sa hallway na bakit habang? Pag gano'n, yung client, kaharap po yung ano.
Hindi kayang buta ko eh.
Dito may talon-talon.
Komplikado siya, bisigin din.
Wow!
Nag-graduate na singing.
And if you want it, you got it forever. It's not a one night stand, baby.
How about the other two? Moral support
Music take your mind.
Happy solo.
Just release and you will find. You're gonna fly away as you run my way. I love it when we're cruising together.
Go, boss.
Music is great for love. Music is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together.
Ito ka? Ito ka? Bakit? Bakit nga? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Malandi ka kasi.
Is that video?
Yeah. Alright!
Each night, each we get closer and closer. Every little part of each other. Oh, baby, yeah. Let the music take you mind. Just you will. You're gonna fly away.
That's all good. It's just a voice. Come on! Yes. Wait. Oh my God, look at that lip.
Ano yun?
How are we going to do that? You're the chorus. The chorus. Think that MTV on the... Mali pa yung nung pakikan. Oh, there, let's go. Oh my God, look at that. Go! Macarena! Go, Chiki, upload. Macarena. Energy.
Kaya ba yun, Ken?
Yun na yun?
Side view.
Energy.
Like na kita.
Ikaw!
Wichikas boya anda.
Bakit ka, Flex?
Muso ko bakla, boya.
Yes, pag mag-beyond lang kay genuine meal.
Oh, ano yun?
Tingnan, title na.
Coach, mama.
Oh, yan!
Sino to?
Huwag ka magpapasimpak po yan dati.
Ginawi.
Ano?
Wala.
Ganda pa lang, oh.
Bakit dito?
Tsaka! Talo ba yung team natin? Talo? Sila man nanalo? Hindi kasi! Iyak ka pa eh.
Uy, hamunin mo. Hila na. Last talk. Good candy.
Go! Katawan niya. Katawan niya. Wala ka pala eh.
Siyempre, abang mo.
Tama ka na! Aray ko!
Uy, teka lang, sasakay ako sa'yo. Abang mo. Ay, gano'n na lang. Ay, angkas na lang. Ako yun. Teka lang, putang ina tatambling. Gay. Halika dito.
School.
Face off lang yung kunyari bago maglaban.
Oo, yun lang bilis.
Baka mamaya totohanin niya, laki ng katawan niya.
Hindi, yung ano lang, yung pakiyo kunyari.
O sige, buhatin mo ako. Yung parang bagong kasal. Sige, buhatin.
Sige, te, sa yung video ko.
Buhatin mo ako ng parang bagong kasal. Kailangan ba talaga
Kasi dapat,
O sige, kunyari, sinisipa. Ganun po galing.
Pinatulog sa kanya.
Papaklakan na yata eh. Game na kunyari, ano lang?
Face off lang, te. Ano ka ba? Face off lang.
Yung para kawawa naman ako sa laki ng katawan
Hindi
niya,
yan,
diba?
face off lang.
Pagkataas ng weigh-in, di ba mag-ano kayo, mag-haharapan kayo?
Oh, di ba, Dem?
Oh, yun, tama yun.
Ilaharapan kayo, box.
Dali na! Kayo na lang.
KG?
Eh, ikaw nga gusto namin eh.
Maganda kasi pag ikaw eh. Nahiya naman kami kahit konti, no? Pwede naman si Chrissy, di ba? Eh, mag-harapan kayo.
Trainer mo yun ah.
Baber. Trainer versus Rick. Ayoko!
Ano? Wala ka sa ano.
Puro ka kembot, puro ganyan. Ano yan, labi?
Ano lang, yun lang, pasensya na lang kayo, pasensya na dito.
Yan, kaya. Pakitaan na lang kayo ng post.
Post lang. Post lang.
Versus ano?
Lahat ng mga lalaki
Dalsim.
sa teritoryo ko ng Ayan, Sonora. Lahat na nasa teritoryo ni Red, Ruel.
Ruel, oh! Papayag ka ba, Ruel?
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Te.
Ate!
Happy birthday to you.
Dali na rin.
Oh, Miss Universe na lang, te.
Di ka ganyan lang.
Pagaling ka na Miss Universe na lang.
Butak ina mo ikaw kaya. Pag doon yung mukha mo, lubos-lubosin mo na.
Sige na, te, Miss Universe.
Sige, ganyan na lang.
Oh, ginagawa.